So today I want to discuss what options are available for sellers. In a traditional scenario, maybe a seller will put their property on the market, call up a realtor, they'll put the for sale sign out in the front yard, and hopefully they'll get maximum value, all cash, and can close quickly. Well, that is not reality for all situations. In fact, that's not reality for most situations because the buyers today are really picky. They know what they want, they can qualify for the mortgages, and they're pretty demanding. And there's a lot of situations where the sellers, they might have to raise their price to compensate for the closing costs and the realtor's commissions and other expenses involved in selling a property. Well, that might push them out of the market for the buyers that are looking in those areas. Or the property is just dated, it's outdated, it may be in great condition, but the buyers right now, they're looking at properties that were bought from rehabbers or investors who bought them from the banks, bank foreclosures, and they may have put in $30, $40, $50, $60,000 or more and just made the property just drop dead gorgeous. I mean, I'm talking about brand new kitchens, brand new bathrooms, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, all new. New floors, hardwood floors refinished, carpeting, all new carpeting, painting the whole thing. And these properties are just in great condition. And then somebody who's got a property that hasn't been updated in the last 10, 15 years, trying to sell at that same price is not always going to help. And in fact, if they try to list it at that same price as another property that was completely renovated like that, it's going to push them out of the market. The buyers are going to look at the two different properties and they're going to go with the one that everything is new. So what do you do in that scenario? Well, as an investor, and I would look for investors that actually have some training and know how to handle creative situations. I mean, we can buy properties on lease with the option to buy. We can do contract for deeds. We can take over existing mortgages. There's a lot of different scenarios that we can do. What we need to know is what your true situation is, what the condition of your property is, where your mortgage balance is, where the value of the property is, and what your time frame is. So there's a lot of different options. Just talk to the investors and open up and let them know what your situation is, and work with them to try and help come up with a scenario or a strategy that'll accomplish what you're looking for, and it'll still make it work for the investor. And then a lot of times we can create win-win situations for both.